What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and in today's weekly dose of awful drivers we're gonna be watching some people who have many talents, but driving is none of them. So without any further ado now, let's dive into this, shall we? And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are starting this video with not only one, not two, but 4 Mustangs and one pretending to be one, getting ready to deploy some speed and power. And off they go. Luckily there are no crowds around. You wanna see a joke?
Chasing a Boxster.
There you go. They do really think they're better than a Porsche. And I don't know if you can see it, but the tire is not the only thing that's missing here. Apparently her brain went missing too.
Oh, your tire fell off. Bro, pull over. You don't have a tire on your rim.
What do you mean? I mean you're literally driving on a bare metal, you apocalyptic dingleberry. Unbelievable. Some people really shouldn't be on the road. Oh, that is an unmistakable sound of an approaching idiot. I think most normal people couldn't pull this even if they tried to. I got your bumper! His cousin probably has the same car and he needed a bumper. Alrighty, on to the next one. And a wild voxel enters the chat. Whoa, hold it, bro. He's got a little bit of a bush position. I'm not sure if all-wheel steering is supposed to do that. Bro somehow successfully managed to dislocate whatever it's holding the wheels.
Oh, that's not secure load, yeah. He fell over.
Bro is on the case. He's like, get in, you little...
It's not even secured, it's not gonna stay there.
It is, have some faith. Ooh, this is a good one. You're gonna love this. This is the instant karma in action. There you go. Well, you mess around and you find out. And somehow it's always the silver E46. Oh, hello there. Looks like someone's compass is acting up a bit. At least she said sorry. Which means at least she's aware that she's doing something wrong. Unlike this guy, we are joining now on yet another adventure of the average BMW. Look at him go. That is a pure driving skill, only the normal people don't understand it.
Is this actually happening?
Oh. This is a good way to destroy your car. Meow. What was that? And where did he come from? It's like he just spawned out of nowhere. And here we have an ancient relic, the Corvette that's older than carpets. But come on now, unleash all of those angry old-timer horsepower and... ooh, that's not gone well. At least that V8 sounds good. And now we are getting back to more modern times where this Porsche is about to show us how it's done. And that was a lie. Money can buy skills, I guess. Autobots roll out. Looks like this one malfunctioned. Let's see what is going on here. Looks like power and speed is involved once again. That is a S-Class, I believe, AMG. And ooh, dearie me. Someone needs to buy some more driving lessons. Whoop whoop, that's the sound of the police. So far so good, everybody's getting out of the way, and the Tesla decided to change that. Oh, no matter how high-tech your car is, Dingleberry will be always a Dingleberry. Guess you're not going to the Olympic Games anytime soon. He just really missed the whole track. Good aim, bro. Good aim. Keep up the good work.
Oh my gosh, she's just gonna do it.
Oh, how nice. That was nice. We need more of that, for sure. Whoa, 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 take it easy, take it easy. That was so unnecessary. I know the truck pulled out, but still, you don't have to be like this. And now you're about to see why I avoid as much as I can public parking lots. Look at that. And the worst part is, they just don't care. They just move on. Woo! This is the music for my ears. That V8 Rumble. This is a E63 AMG. Amazing machine. Beautiful. And of course, this was done on a closed road in Mexico. And these guys woke up and decided to be as annoying as they can. Rising up. Dun, 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 dun. That wheel is training to become even bigger wheel.
This was a cautious, or at any rate, a
Let's see
methodical
here.
person. He liked to allow for contingencies.
Whoa!
He could never feel comfortable until he
I don't
really
even know what
does.
to say about this. Here it seems like someone had a little disagreement, let's put it that way. I don't know who started it, but we'll see how it ends. Lexus brake checks him a little bit, and now they did a little switcheroo. Will the Volkswagen now retaliate and do the same? We'll see. And now the Lexus overtakes him again. They're now drag racing neck and neck, and I'm pretty sure neither of them knows what they want to achieve by doing this, but here they are. And some say they're still going. Anyways, we are moving on. And booyah! Ooh. That was again an old-timer. Is that a Firebird? Let me know in the comments. I'm not sure. What is this? He's like, who put this stupid curb here? What is the curb doing in the middle of the road? I'm pretty sure everybody's confused around him. And up he goes over the curb, and yeah, he just did that. Whatever that was. Oh, you cheeky little sausage. But go ahead, make our day. He's mad now. If you don't want to become a pancake, my suggestion is to move on. The audacity. Look at him. He did something wrong and he's... Come on, big boy, get out. Do something. All bark, no bite, huh? I don't know why people are doing this. He teased him a little bit with that short honk. But he still won't do anything about it. Look at this clown. He should have the Clown City license plates. What a funny guy. Way too many people are doing this. They do something wrong and then they had the audacity to be mad and blame another driver for no reason at all. And look at that little baby Porsche go. I think that's a GT4. Uh-oh, looks like this guy forgot something. But luckily the Dashcam guy is here to save the day. Imagine what would have happened if that guy managed to go under the underpass. That would be a mess. And it even rhymes. Moving on. Ooh, that guy did a power whack. Is that a Challenger? Oh yes it is. I wonder if you know how they live in... Whoa! It's safe to say that Ford was not focused. On to the next one. Whoa, 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 bro. Chill. Why did he do that? That was a dingleberry move. There he goes again. Why, man? Unbelievable. Our Dashcam guy did absolutely nothing wrong. We are now briefly changing season to winter, but just for a moment. And that guy just got a North Pole position. And after that amazing move, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and also please don't forget to smack that like button, leave a comment and subscribe. But most importantly, don't forget to power every day. And yeah, I will see you in the next one, guys. Take care, love you all, ciao ciao.